Hello everyone, so today we are going to draw a very beautiful um, landscape with the means forest type. So I'm just going to draw an animal. Okay, just I'm going to draw over here V shape. Okay, V shape, and after drawing V shape, now just I will draw it over here U. Okay, U shape. Now it's zooming in so that you can see properly. See U shape. From U, just I'm going to draw the shape like this. Now over here, ear shape. See, anyhow, just like in branch, we draw in branches. Like that, you can draw the that horn of the deer. Okay. Anyhow, just you can draw it. It's very simple. Just I will draw the line from here like this. Shape like this. Okay. And now, after this, I'm going to. It's a shadow, so it's no need to do the detailing etc. Just do what I'm doing. That is enough. Okay. Okay, this much do was over. It's very simple, very easy. So after doing this, now it should be little bit long so that it look good. Okay. Huh. Now what you have to do? So it's very simple. I will draw one line from here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do? Just I'm going to erase this. Means I will make it lighter. Just I will make it lighter. Okay. And after make it lighter, I'm going to take the lemon yellow. Okay, first lemon yellow, and with the lemon yellow I'm just going to do this yellow, very simple. Okay, lemon yellow, then over here medium yellow, okay, it's a medium yellow, and after medium yellow I'm going to use the deep yellow. Deep yellow fully have to do it. Okay, fully. Okay, I'm just doing the fully. Very simple. So deep yellow, just blend it. Okay, and now I will take a little bit orange color. Okay, orange I will shade it over here like this. and this also I will going to blend it with the deep yellow. Here deep yellow, here I'm going to use the medium yellow, medium yellow. Okay, and see, after doing this now, it's very simple. Now with the finger just blend it, okay, with the finger or any paper, just try to blend it fully. Means you have to make it smooth, okay. Okay, after this what you have to do, just I will take the orange color, okay, orange, and from here just doing the orange line, okay. Here also. Okay, so after this with the orange, okay, with the orange color, what if you do, just I will do some dots. I'm just doing some dots, okay. Achha, before dots, no, just take the scarlet and do the scarlet, or you can take the primary red also. Do some part na darker, especially the big tree, the trunk, so that it look good, okay. Just I'm doing the dots. Just dots I'm doing, okay. It's very simple, just small dots I'm just doing, okay. It's just you have to do the dots, and means fully wherever I'm doing, it's a very far away tree, and for the sunlight it's become like orange color, okay. So I'm just doing the dots specially, okay, so that it look good. It's very simple drawing and very easy. You can tell this also 5 minutes arts, but it will not take time. It's not 5, it will not take 5 minutes, it will take more, and so at least 20 minutes it will take to complete. If you do it faster, it will take 15 minutes or 10 minutes, it's enough. And if you do with watercolor or acrylic color, it will take more less time, because with the acrylic color or watercolor we do the drawings very fastly, because especially the dots, we have the brush, we can make the easiest way. So I'm just doing the grasses also with this orange color only. Okay, just I have done the grasses like that. Okay, in the back just I'm doing this linings, and with a deep yellow. Okay, with a deep yellow, just I'm going to blend this, the grasses one. Okay, in middle also some grass lines are there. Okay, small linings. Okay, small linings are just you have to do it. Okay, very simple. Now I'm going to take the black color, small dots. Okay, small dots, very clear dots. Means it's how much small dots you will make, your drawing will look more beautiful. Okay, it's your wish. So more you make small dots, more your drawing will look beautiful. Just I am doing the dots. Okay, it's very simple. Just dots. Okay, simple, just dots. Very easy. It's one of the easiest drawing we are doing this one. Just with the dot, you have to make this. Here, just with the blacks. First, now I will blend this one, the bottom one. Okay, then I'm going to do some linings like this. Then I will blend it with the deep yellow. just linings you have to do it. Okay, and again I'm going to blend it with the medium yellow. Okay, and some linings over here also. It's very simple. Okay, and now I'm going to draw the tree over here. This line, and from here okay, just slowly you have to draw the tree, means branches. Okay, just like in branches I'm just done. Okay, and now the deer. Fully fill this with the black color. Okay, and the ears you can do this with the means glass marker also. Okay, it's very simple. So it's your wish, whatever you want you can use it, but better to use the oil pastel. It will give you the dark effect, huh? And deer have small tail, na? And one thing, see, uh, we tell that cheetah is the fastest animal in the world, right? But sometimes when cheetah wants to catch the deer, he failed because means he run faster. It can run fast, but not for the long time. Okay. So thing is that difference between these two animal is he eat grass, means vegetable, and that cheetah eats meat. So now think which one is good. You want to eat vegetables to or else meat. See, both are different, but if give you very strength. Good. Vegetable is good for health, so try to eat vegetable more. Okay. Some grasses are black. I will do so that look good. Okay. So your now drawing is ready. Thank you.